Hi everybody, Josh Rappaport here doing a little video on how to multiply numbers between 5 and 10 using nothing more than your hands and your fingers. So first we have to understand how you represent numbers from 5 to 10 on your hands, and this is done one hand at a time. So I'm going to remove my right hand, and this is the idea. For any number from 5 to 10, what you have to think about is how much greater than 5 the number is. So since 5 is not greater than 5, you just use your full hand and all fingers for 5. Since 6 is 1 greater than 5, what you do is you put down one finger. I'm choosing to put down my pinky. You could put down any finger at all. Some people like to put down their thumb. I'm choosing to put down my pinky for reasons you'll see in a little while. For 7, that's 2 greater than 5, you'd put down 2 fingers. 8, being 3 greater than 5, you'd put down 3 fingers. 9, since it's 4 greater than 5, 4 fingers. And 10, being 5 greater than 5, you'd put down 5 fingers. So let's say you were multiplying 7 by 7. You'd use this setup with 2 fingers down to represent 7 on one hand, and you'd use the same setup, 2 fingers down on your other hand. And since we've got this all set up, let's go ahead and do 7 times 7 right now. So what you do, first thing you do is you basically put your hands together. This is why I like to use my inner fingers, because you can see how many fingers are down and you can count them up, which is what you want to do. So you count up your down fingers. You've got 4 down fingers here, and then you multiply that by 10. 4 times 10 is 40. We're doing 7 times 7. And then you add up the number of fingers that are up on each hand. You've got 3 up on your left hand, 3 on your right hand. 3 times 3 is 9, and you add the 9 to the 40 that you just obtained. 40 plus 9 is 49. So 7 times 7 is 49. So that's one example right there. As the next example, let's do 6 times 8. So we'd represent 6 with 1 finger down here and 3 fingers down here. That's 6 on my left hand and 8 represented on my right hand. Again, we put our hands together, add up the number of fingers that are down. That's 4. 4 times 10 again is 40. Then we count our up fingers. 4 on the left hand, 2 on the right hand. 4 times 2 is 8. We add 8 to 40. That's 48. So 6 times 8 is 48. Pretty nifty, huh? And then let's do 7 times 9. Okay, so we've got 7 here, and 9 would be represented with 4 fingers down. For 7 times 9, we would have put our hands together. We've got 6 fingers down. 6 times 10 is 60. We look at our up fingers. We've got 3 on our left hand, 1 on our right hand. 3 times 1 is 3. 60 plus 3, 63. 7 times 9 is 63. And as one more example, let's do 5 times 7. It's interesting to see what happens when we do 5. So 5 is represented like this, 7 like this. Put our hands together. We've only got 2 fingers down. 2 times 10 is 20. Then we look at our up fingers. 5 times 3 is 15. 20 plus 15 is 35. So there you have it. 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, and let's do one that's kind of trivial. It's when you multiply by 10. So we're going to do 6 times 10. So we'll represent 6 on our left hand like this. 10 is with all fingers down. So we put our hands together. We've got 6 fingers down. We multiply that by 10. That gives us 60. Look at our up fingers. 4 on the left hand, 0 on the right hand. 4 times 0 is 0. Add 0 to 60, that's 60. Okay, so 6 times 10 is 60. So in a sense, that's a trivial case, and pretty much everyone knows that 6 times 10 is 60. So this isn't very useful for that, but it's certainly useful for the products of 5 through 9 times each other. So I hope you find that helpful, and I know that students tend to find it a lot of fun. And it shows that fingers can be useful for more than just counting and more than just the standard trick for multiplying single-digit numbers by 9. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.